So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can check the video tags on almost any YouTube video, and it's fairly simple. Sometimes when you make a YouTube video, it might be hard thinking of keywords or tags to use. This is an example of tags. So for one of my other videos, these are the tags that I use. Tags can act like keywords and they can help your video in the search results and for it to be found easier. But sometimes it might be hard thinking of tags for whatever topic you're trying to cover. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually check someone else's video and what tags they used, not so you could copy them, but just so you can get an idea of what type of tags you can use. So for example, we're just going to click on a random video right here. And once you click on that video, then you want to right click anywhere on the page and you want to go to where it says view page source. Once you do that, you're going to be on this page right here. Then what you want to do is hold down Control and F, and that will bring up a search bar. This is where you're going to type in keywords. And then it should look like this. So you'll see it says keywords, content equals, and then these are the tags that he used for the video. And as always, you can just scroll down a little bit. It'll normally end wherever the quotes end, and these are all the tags that he used for his video. And this can literally work for any videos. Even if you want to check on a Mr. Beast video, you can do the same thing. Go to view page source, hit Control F, then type in keywords, and you can see the tags that he used. And he barely used any tags because he really doesn't need to. He's Mr. Beast. So you can see the difference when it comes to using no tags or using a bunch of tags. It all depends on what type of video you're doing and how big your channel is already. But hopefully this video was able to help you out. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below.